Life is full of choices. Every day, we are faced with decisions, big and small. The choices we make shape who we are, where we go, and how we live. But how do we know we're making the right decisions? The first step to making the right decision is awareness. Understanding that every choice we make has consequences, positive or negative. Awareness allows us to pause, reflect, and ask ourselves, what do I really want? What will help me grow? There are often two or more paths before us, each leading to a different destination. How do we decide which one to take? The key is gathering the right information. The more knowledge you have, the clearer your decision will be. Seek advice from those who have been where you're going. Research. Ask questions. Knowledge isn't just power, it's clarity. But information isn't just about facts and data. It's about understanding the context, the why behind a decision. What are the values driving your choice? What long-term impact will it have on your life and others around you? While gathering information is crucial, there's also a voice inside you that knows the right path. It's your intuition, the inner wisdom that helps guide you when a logical choice isn't always clear. Trust it. Your intuition is shaped by your experiences and instincts. It knows what resonates with your core values. But no decision is perfect. Sometimes we hesitate because we're afraid of making a mistake or failing. Here's the truth. Failure is not the end. It's part of the journey. It's how we grow. The right decision isn't always the perfect one. It's the one that aligns with your values, your goals, and your vision for your life. It's the one that takes you forward, even if the path isn't clear yet. Remember, each decision is an opportunity to learn, and with each step forward, you will get closer to the life you envision. At some point, you have to make the decision and take action. There's power in momentum. Even if you don't have every answer, trust that each decision you make will move you closer to your truth. And when you make the right decisions made with the right information, with trust in yourself, and with courage, you'll find that life begins to unfold in ways you never imagined. So take a moment today, reflect on your choices, gather your information, trust your intuition, and take that next step with confidence. Your future is shaped by the decisions you make today. Choose wisely, choose boldly, and remember, the right decision is the one that moves you forward.